Today, I'm making Alfredo pasta with chicken, a famous Italian dish. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Three boneless chicken breasts, cut into small pieces. Half tablespoon garlic powder, half tablespoon onion powder, half tablespoon paprika, half tablespoon dried parsley, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Salt to taste. 3 tablespoons olive oil. Marinate the chicken with all the spices and olive oil for 30 minutes. Cooking the chicken. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of butter. Add the marinated chicken and cook until it's perfectly done. Optional. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes if you like some heat. Once fully cooked, set the chicken aside. Cooking the pasta. In 2 liters of boiling water, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add your choice of pasta and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until tender. Strain the pasta and set it aside. For the sauce, half cup sun-dried tomatoes, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons butter. Half cup chopped onion. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. In a pan, melt the butter and sauté the onions and garlic. Add the sun-dried tomatoes and cook for a couple of minutes. Pour in 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of 18% cream. Add Parmesan cheese to your preference. Season with salt, black pepper, and chili flakes to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now add the cooked pasta. Sprinkle in some freshly chopped parsley. Cook everything together for a couple more minutes, and it's done. This dish turned out incredibly delicious. My family loved it and even asked me to make it again. Give it a try, I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. If you liked the recipe, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another recipe.